Next, from Digiday, AI doesn't fix measurement; it raises the stakes for CMOs. So this was interesting because essentially what it's saying, the gist of this article, and I encourage everyone to read it. Essentially, it's saying that if there's something that's fundamentally not correct within your marketing, whether it's your strategy, your website, your content, your SEO is not in a good place, your PPC isn't converting like it should, whatever it is, your social media doesn't tie into the other things that it should, then AI doesn't fix it. What it does is it exasperates it, it exposes it even more. So I guess for those of you that think AI, that you can autonomously run all of your marketing using AI, think again. It's not going to solve these problems for you. Like, we actually, we had a town hall event not too long ago, and there was someone that asked about using AI for strategy. And, I don't remember what our exact response was, but, we basically said, okay, well, if you're feeding it, let's just say you have a free account. Heck, let's just say you have a paid account to any of the LLMs. It doesn't matter which AI platform. And you put a prompt that's 3 pages long that gives all the backstory, all the data, all the information. Ask it, what do you think I should do? And then follow what it does, point by point by point by point. First and foremost, there are so many intangibles in that 3-page prompt that you prompted it. There could be 2 or 3 or 4 things or a dozen things that you didn't describe correctly in that holes in all of that, which then is going to come through in the strategy that it presents. So the point is, AI is a tool to help you scale, help you do your job better. If there's cracks in the foundation, if something isn't working well, AI is only going to make it worse and or expose it, not resolve it for you. So what do you guys think? Catherine, John, what do you think on that?
I think that it aligns with what we have been saying, that AI is a good tool to use, but it's never going to replace
Yep.
your own human mind thinking of the strategy and things like that. You just have to be in the mindset of using it as an assistant. So it's not going to actually fix your problems. The human is going to fix whatever is going on.
Yep.
And AI is just, you can make it be aligned with you, but you have to know what's going on.
Right. Absolutely. John, what do you think?
Yeah, if you blindly use AI, like you said, it's going to like amplify any issue. It's not going to know that you accidentally put in 1 million instead of 100,000, and it's going to give you a strategy based off of that number, right? And
Mm-hmm.
and if you're not in there looking, super like critically, you might just follow it, and then you might find that you've spent too much money, or you've
Yep.
completely, I don't know, you've done something completely incorrectly, and it's too late now.